It is now a bit over 3 weeks since I broke my upper arm, and I had an x-ray which showed me how much the bone has been healing all by itself right inside of my body. And I was absolutely amazed. The body is a most fabulous instrument that knows how to do things and repair itself far better than we do. And it is just working so hard there for me to repair and to re-establish all my functionality, I hope. But I know I have to work for it too. And so I am doing active assisted exercises now, and I'm trying to get back functionality. It's quite painful sometimes, but it's certainly worth doing, and it has certainly taught me the lesson of how grateful I should be to my body for all these different things it does, millions and millions of things all at the same time. So it makes me want to look after it extra well. It deserves a pat on the back. It deserves all the love it can get. Good body, well done. We'll keep going. Hope you're doing the same.